Audrey! Audrey! What's that?
Who's that?
Audrey! Oh, she wants the dogs.
She didn't even see you.
Audrey, what's behind Daddy? Audrey,
No.
what's up? Audrey, what's this?
Yeah. Hey, I hear.
You want to go sit on it?
I'm okay.
Oh, did you fall down?
No.
I see a tractor. Do you see a tractor?
Where's the tractor, Audrey?
Did you hurt your hand?
Where's the tractor?
Maybe the dogs can ride it?
Hey, that was an important thing.
Molly's her favorite.
Can you get the money?
Molly's her favorite.
Yeah,
Money?
Oh, look at that tail wag.
Can you get the money, Mama?
Oh, it needs money. She's just for the ride, but...
Audrey, why don't you touch that black pedal there on the floorboard?
Is the key need to be turned on?
No.
I don't know how to run it.
Audrey, why don't you touch that pedal? Why don't you step on that pedal? Woo!
Here, let's go out in the grass with it.